Welcome to Review Lab. The best Candyland themed decoration is probably one of the most enchanting and visually delightful ways to transform any space into a whimsical wonderland, bringing a sense of childlike wonder and vibrant joy to parties, events, or even just a special room. Imagine stepping into a world where rivers of chocolate flow, lollipop trees bloom, and gingerbread houses stand tall, all meticulously crafted to evoke the sweet, sugary dreams of childhood and create an unforgettable, immersive experience for guests of all ages. This theme offers a unique opportunity to blend creativity with a playful aesthetic, making it a standout choice for those seeking a truly magical and memorable celebration. Number 5. Beistle Gingerbread House Door Cover. Transform your space into a festive scene with this charming gingerbread house door cover. It's the perfect way to add a touch of holiday magic to your home. Crafted from durable plastic, this decoration is built to last throughout the holiday season. Its generous size makes a big impact wherever you place it. Simply hang it on any door or wall for an instant Christmas makeover. It's an effortless way to create a joyful and inviting atmosphere for your guests. Use it as a delightful photo prop to capture memorable holiday moments. This backdrop adds a whimsical touch to any Christmas gathering. Whether you're decorating inside or adding cheer to your outdoor space, this versatile cover is suitable for both. Enjoy its festive charm anywhere. Proudly made in the USA, this decoration offers great value and quality. It's a wonderful addition to your Christmas festivities. What we like? This door cover offers a grand entrance to your Candyland. It's made of durable plastic, perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. If you're looking for a statement piece that's easy to set up and can withstand various conditions, this is the ideal choice for your party. What people say. The decorations were vibrant and colorful, really bringing the Candyland theme to life. Easy to set up and arrange, making party preparation a breeze. The quality of the materials was surprisingly good, holding up well throughout the event. Number 4. Gejoy Candyland Party Decorations. Get ready to delight your guests with our Candyland party decorations. This set includes 20 beautiful signs in 10 unique styles, perfect for setting a festive mood. Crafted from thick cardstock with vibrant single-sided printing, these decorations are built to last. Their charming pink, blue, and brown colors add a playful touch to any event. Ranging from 10 by 4 to 10 by 8 inches, these signs are the ideal size for creating a whimsical candy party atmosphere. They are designed to complement your existing decorations beautifully. Featuring a variety of shapes, including arrows and fragmented designs, these signs add a fun and functional element. They're printed with different words to guide your guests in style. These delightful decorations are a fantastic addition to Christmas parties, sweet shops, birthdays, and any candy-themed event. They are sure to be a huge hit with your friends and family. Use these charming signs as unique photo props. They're perfect for capturing fun and memorable moments with your friends at your Candyland party. What we like? This kit provides a charming set of directional signs to guide guests through your Candyland. Made from thick cardstock, they add a whimsical touch. If your party involves a larger space or you want to create an interactive experience, these signs are perfect for setting the scene and adding fun. What people say. The colors are vibrant and truly capture the essence of Candyland. The details on the gingerbread house and lollipop decorations are amazing, very well made. It was easy to set up and made the party area look magical. Number 3. Christmas Hanging Swirls Decorations Candy Gingerbread Man Elves Truck. Get ready for a delightful Christmas party with these hanging swirl decorations. They are perfect for adding a festive touch to your celebrations. You'll receive plenty of swirl decorations, including some with fun cutouts. Use them to decorate your Christmas event and create a joyful atmosphere. These decorations are made from quality, double-sided printed cardboard. They are lightweight, reliable, and designed to last for many uses, bringing sweetness to your party. Decorating is a breeze with these. They come with hooks for easy hanging and removal, saving you time and energy. Designed with colorful and sweet elements, these decorations are sure to bring happiness and comfort. They create a vibrant world that delights both children and adults. These decorations are perfect for a variety of celebrations, including Christmas, birthdays, weddings, and baby showers. They are sure to be a hit with everyone. What we like? You'll receive a generous amount of these delightful hanging swirls, featuring sweet, colorful elements. They are designed for effortless hanging, saving you time. If you want to fill your space with a festive and cheerful atmosphere that appeals to both kids and adults, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The Candyland theme decoration is incredibly vibrant and colorful, bringing a magical atmosphere to any party. The set includes a variety of fun elements like lollipops, gumdrops, and gingerbread houses, making it a complete package for a sweet-themed celebration. Easy to set up and rearrange, the decorations are lightweight and durable, ensuring they can be used for multiple events. Number 2. 21 PCS 18 Sweet Candy Balloons. Make your next celebration unforgettable with these sweet candy balloons. They are the perfect addition to any birthday or wedding party. These balloons are sure to be a hit with kids at any candy-themed party. They make for a fun and festive gift that everyone will love. Crafted from durable aluminum foil, these balloons feature a shiny, uniform color and a seamless appearance. They are self-sealing and leak-proof for long-lasting enjoyment. Inflate them with helium, hydrogen, or air. They are perfect for a wide range of events, from weddings and holidays to birthdays and parties. Add a splash of color to your event with our mix of vibrant, candy-shaped balloons. Available in a variety of fun shades to match any theme. Simply use adhesive tape to stick them to the wall for a stunning party display. They are easy to set up and create a big impact. We are committed to providing excellent after-sales service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we will be happy to assist you promptly. What we like. These round lollipop balloons add a pop of shiny, metallic color to your celebration. They are made of aluminum foil with a self-sealing feature for longevity. If you're aiming for a bright, eye-catching display that kids will adore, these balloons are a must-have for a candy-themed party. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the Candyland theme, making the decorations really pop. Easy to set up and take down, which was a huge time saver for the party. The quality of the materials is surprisingly good, they feel durable and reusable for future events. Number 1. GIHOO Sweet Candy Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Transform any celebration into a whimsical wonderland with our Sweet Candy Balloon Garland Arch Kit. It's the perfect way to add a touch of magic to your special occasions. This kit features vibrant lollipop foil balloons and colorful latex balloons, creating a stunning visual display. Get ready for a burst of joy and color. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, or holiday gathering, this garland arch is designed to impress. Make your next event unforgettable with this delightful decoration. Setting up your dream balloon arch is simple and fun. You'll achieve professional-looking results that will wow your guests. Add a unique and playful element to your party decor. It's the sweetest way to celebrate life's special moments. Crafted with quality in mind, our balloon kit ensures your decorations stay vibrant and beautiful throughout your event. Create lasting memories with ease. What we like. This comprehensive kit allows you to create a stunning balloon garland arch, featuring both lollipop foil balloons and colorful latex ones. It's designed to be a showstopper for any Candyland or rainbow-themed event. If you're looking to create a dramatic focal point for photos or as a grand entrance, this kit has everything you need. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the Candyland theme. The decorations are made of durable material and held up well outdoors. Easy to set up and take down, saving time during party preparation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.